Hello everyone, it's Arctic Friday and I'm going to talk about the hazing out of paintings, like how to make your paintings blurry, like a foggy effect or misty effect. So you have two kinds of white, one being the titanium white and the other one is a Chinese white, which I do not have right now. The Chinese white is something transparent, like it is somewhat transparent than the titanium white. Titanium white is truly opaque. So do not worry if you do not have the Chinese white with you at the moment. What you can do is you can take the titanium white and add a lot of water to it, mix it well, dilute it to the extent where it becomes quite transparent. I'll show you how. So if this is something, this is from my painting classes. So if I take a flat brush